Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And where are we today?
We are at Capitol Reef National Park near Torrey, Utah.
And we're walking around these absolutely gorgeous blossoming, I think, apple trees.
Yes, it's just the beginning of May and we're at the end of the flowering season. The pears have done, the peaches are done, but apples are in full blossom. And we're checking out some of the blossoms for some nice photo opportunities.
So it's been a good day so far, and we're going to really enjoy this.
Well, it's too bad we don't have a smell-o-vision here because these apple blossoms smell just wonderful, especially when there's a light breeze blowing over the trees. It's just a gorgeous day here. Bright sunshine, hardly a cloud in the sky, and comfortable temperatures, beautiful sunlight, nice little breeze. Here's Shawn working away at a composition. One of the things to watch for is the light. And when you do this, you can't stand around and wait for the light to get to you. What you want to do is look for where the light conditions are right and try and make a composition that works with the light that you have.
So right now I'm standing underneath one of the beautiful flowering apple trees, and it's such a beautiful shot that I'm trying a few different compositions. The one type of composition I'm trying is one with a little sun starburst coming down through the flowers. That's turned out to be challenging because it's a bit windy. In that case, though, you have to have your f-stop. The key to this shot is having your f-stop above f11. I'm finding today that I'm having to set my ISO around about 400 and my f-stop a little higher than f11, probably closer to f16 in order to make that work. And it's been just a great time trying that out. The other shot that I'm trying is trying to just get an isolated blossom all by itself. Now, the light is really a little too bright for that kind of a shot today. So in that case, the f-stop I'm using is around about 9 or a little lower if I can make that work. So the background's all blurred out and only the blossom is showing up in the shot. But I have to admit, I haven't really looked at the outcomes yet, and I'm not sure if that's working out very well on such a bright day. So one of the things that you need to remember is that you're photographing white flowers against a dark background. You've really got to watch your histogram and make sure you're not blowing out your shot. The other thing to keep in mind is you want to have lots of capacity to bring depth and interest back in the shot. So today I'm actually shooting 2 stops dark when I shoot these white flowers in order to give myself lots of room to edit later on. And here are a few of the compositions that we created while we were out there on that day. We sure hope you enjoyed them, and will let us know down in the comments which one's your favorite. Well, that was a really fun day.
Yes, we're here in the spring, great time to get the blossoms. If you miss spring and you want to come for the fall, they have harvest, and you can pay a small nominal amount and harvest your own fruit.
And even better, let them harvest it and bake it into a pie.
Yeah, their pies are sold at Gifford House, which is a great treat.
And if you enjoyed this movie today, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you'd like to see more of our movies, we sure hope you'll hit that subscribe button.
And if you have any comments, thoughts, or want to tell us what photographs you liked or didn't like, please do it down in the comments below. We love seeing them.
And we hope to see you on the next one.
And until then, bye for now.
Bye for now.